Okay. So here we are. Getting ready to draw some more textures. Oh, I should close this one there. So let's continue. With this texture. This is the one? No. Where is it? Oh, terrain textures, right? Terrain textures. UI, there we go. This one. Let's open this. A sprite, a sprite, a sprite, a sprite, a sprite. There we go. So let's check this. Okay, so I have the base. Okay, so let's change the color because it's too bright. Hey, smokers! How are you? I'm doing fine after taking a break from the game. I needed to take a break because I was feeling very exhausted. So now I'm back. I am back to paint this. To paint the... Wait, where is the... Okay. So I'm going to paint the map with pixel art textures. So I'm doing the grass now. Good, good, good. There we go. So here, let's do like this. Oopsie. So I'm using this as reference. Let's take this. There we go. Trying to make the leaves a little bit more three-dimensional. Let's see how it looks. Okay, let's try it like that. Let's see. All right, nice. Looking good. So the thing is that the game is gonna have the camera really far away from the terrain, so details are not gonna be seen. So you shouldn't worry about details too much. Let's check. Oh, look at this. There are some shadows there. Let's add some shadows. There. A little bit like this. A little bit more. There. Is that okay? Not sure. Not sure. Let me take a look here. Okay. Let's check how it looks. See, as I was saying, the details cannot be seen here, so the shadows can only be seen from up close. Okay, one more thing. Maybe a highlight. Maybe a highlight. Let's see. Let's check. So I cannot even see the highlight, but it looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it? Very cute. Very cute. Okay, so I guess I'm done with the... Oh, look at this. So good. So nice. Okay. Looks nice. I don't like that it shows like a grid. The grid is extremely strong. The grid is too strong. Okay, what else can we do? Let's change this gravel. The gravel texture. Okay, so the gravel, I should use a reference. So we have some dirt here, but it's too little. Let's see if I can find more. Top down. Let's see this one. Not convinced. Let's see. No. Oh, this one. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Let me see this one. Oh, too blurry. Too much blur. This one maybe? Yes. Okay, this one. This one. Okay, this one looks a bit weird. It's like mud. Okay. I guess I'm going to do it like this. Something like that. Like this one. Okay, let's do it like this one. Or this one. Okay, let's just try something, just to see how it looks. HSL. What color should be this one? Okay. Let's see. This is the base color. Oh, nice. Is that okay? Let's make it a bit darker. All right. All right. Nice. So, what else should I do? Well, I don't like that it's so transparent, you know. Transparency ruins the terrain, I think. I need to learn how to fix that too. I want crispier edges. Okay, let's see. Like that. Oh, wait a second. Let's do it like this. There. So there we go. You have like no, that's I don't want geometrical shapes. I just want nice looking natural shapes. Oops. Okay. Let's do this like that. Okay. And we have shift, I think it was, no, transform. Where was it? Sprite. No, it was grid, something like grid. Layer, view, grid, there. No, not grid, tile mode. There. That's what I want. Okay, let's just play a little bit with this. Okay, let's try that. Nice. Yeah, definitely I need to add more clean, crispier edges. Okay, let's try to make smaller circles. So this one will be like this one like that, this one like this. like this. Let's see. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Okay, but I like the the smaller chunks are better, I think. Let's just try not to make it so dark. Okay, let's go there. So let's give it a better shape. Can I do like this? Like squares? Oops, there. Just giving shape to the little rocks. No, this one is bad. Ouch. That's a bit weird. That's a bit weird too. Where? What's that? And this one. That's super crazy. Whoop. 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 No. There. Almost finished. Almost finished. here, let's say we finished. All right, nice, very nice. So now I just need to make it so that some are higher than others. So you're high, and you're high. Maybe that's too much. That's too much. That's okay. That's enough. There. And you are lower. Let's see. You are lower. A bit lower. Lower. Okay, that's like a nice colors. Let's try check a look. Oh, nice. Look at nice variation. Very nice variation. So now let's make this a little bit less plain. So there. A little bit darker. That's too much, actually. Let's make this. There we go. Okay. There. Just trying to make. I'm not sure. Just let's say it's an experiment. I'm just experimenting with trying to make this a little bit more three-dimensional. Trying to make trying to add some shadows, maybe some kind of shadows, some kind of weird looking shadows. Not so sure about this, but it's nice. It's like each little thing pops out a little bit more. Each little piece pops out. Okay. So the other thing I could do to this is to make it a little bit more three-dimensional. There, like that. And this guy is darker. Look at that. Alright. Okay, it's like I kinda ruined it a little bit. It's like I added a little bit too much detail. Yes, I ruined it a little bit. But if you look at it up close, it's not that bad. So let's ruin it a little bit more. So this is yeah, why not? Let's ruin it all. Why not? This is all a learning process. Let's see what happens if I add even more colors. Okay, let's see. Okay, here it doesn't look that bad. It actually looks pretty nice, except for the highlights. I don't like the highlights. Goodbye highlights. There, it looks much better, I think. Okay, so that's the first, let's say the first version of the gravel. Can I do a, once I have something finished, I like to play with the hues. So this makes it redder, this makes it greener, yellowish, bluish. Let's make it grayish. Now you know what? I think it's perfect. Like it is. I think it's quite perfect. Looks like dirt, like little rocks, like mud. It's like a mix between rocks and mud. Very nice. So now I need to do this one. This is the cliff texture. All right, cliff texture. Let's go. Cliff texture should be like this, right? Yes. Whoop, what's that? So I have like even more. Oh, look. There are some weird cases where the mountain texture is used. So it's like a ramp. It's a cliff, but it's also a ramp there. Okay, let's do the cliff. I need more references. This won't be good enough. This isn't good enough. So, as a general rule, I think I shouldn't add too many colors. So it needs to look good with like 3 colors at most. No more. Okay, what? Where? Let me check. Pixel art. Can I have some cliff references, please? Oh, this is nice. That's like, it has too many details. This is better. I think it has too many details. Yes, that's the problem. I can't see this one very well, but I like this one. Okay, this is nice. This doesn't have too many details. Oh, this is nice. Look. It's like it's broken. I like that one. Oh, wow. But this one has too many details. Yes, too many details. I don't like this one. This is what I did with the gravel. It didn't turn out great. But this is really good. It has like a tubular look. but this part is really perfect. Something like this, with maybe a little bit of shadows, like broken parts here and there. Let me see this one. This is good. It's good. This is nice too. But I like this one. It's like broken. Let's do the tile mode. Okay, let's take this. So, ouch, no, like this. So it's like a big boulder cracks into smaller ones and then continues. All right. So you should be broken like that, and this is broken like this, right, like that, broken into smaller pieces. No, not like that. No, like this. Oh, look at that. It's really good. I like it. So here I'm gonna add shadows. There we go. Shadow. There. There, shadow. There. Should it be like this? There. There, shadow. There. See that it looks great with only a few colors. I just need a good separation between shadows and light areas. But I don't like the angle. Let's do something crazy. What? Should it be like this? Never mind. Like that. Nice. Okay, maybe shoes. You know, this isn't bad. There we go. Let me see, what else am I missing? Okay, so the rocks have like changes in these things. No, let's do like that. So you are like that. There we go. The light is coming from above. Light from above, light from above. There. And now darker. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay, let's check a look. Oh my god, that's awesome. Look at those chunky pixels. Should I leave it like that? It looks great. But I think it needs something else. Highlight. Just a little bit of highlight. Just a little bit. Not too much. A little bit. Let's see. Okay. Looks nice. I like it. Let's change the hues and saturation. Hue bluish maybe. There. And a little darker. Okay, wait a second. Let's change the contrast. Less contrast, less bright. More contrast, no, less contrast. Like that. There. Okay, it needs a bit more contrast. Let's do this. There. So you come here, you do this. Okay, let's try that. Yes, that's what it needed. Okay, just need to make it feel more rounder. Look at those pixels. Awesome. Well, this is a bit weird, you know, I don't like it. I don't like that one. Nice, nice. You know what? Yes. What should I need? What else can I do to this? Looks okay. But these parts are like too dark. I mean, they are too plain. That's what I meant to say, not dark. So let's do like this. So this means that there is less light entering those places. Less light. There. Let's check a look. Yes, much better. I think I can leave it like that. Let's see how it looks on the game. And when I check this, I'm gonna get some coffee. All right. Okay, looks much better. So that texturing is extremely basic. But it looks nice, I think. I really need a way to add more variations here and there. And the edges should be super, I mean, it should be like this, you know. The other edges, I mean, all edges should be like this. Like it's not super strong or like that. They are too soft. Not sure how to achieve that. But the end result is really good. I like it. Okay. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a coffee. Okay, I'm back. I am back. So what I need to do is to get inside here and check this. Slope, cavity, height, erosion, terrace, blend. Bottleneck constant. So since I'm not sure how to do this, let's ask Grok. Let's see. In Unity 6, using map magic, how can I make the texture have a how more edge. I see. So map magic is not made for super specific hard edges, but it can be done. Noise, blend node. Really? There is a blend node? Noise? Noise. So this is the grass. And this is the cliff. Slope. And this is the cliff. The cliff. And this is selector from this to that. Blur. What's this? Grass layer. So the output of this goes to the grass layer. This blends. I wish I could see the result. Why I can't see the result? I can't refresh, generate. Oh, there, generate. What's this for? This adds a mask and then nothing happens. And this gets the levels and puts them in the grass layer. Okay, let's see what the AI says. The blend node. Okay, let's see the blend node. Blend. Oh, there it is. Blend node. So in the blend node, I get the cliff, a slope, and the grass. Okay, so I get these guys here. Look, the grass, the gravel is not touched because it's like the base. What should I do? Linear or step instead of smooth? Okay, linear. Where do I set that? How can I change that? The blending mode to sharper. Curve. Okay, but how do I change the blend mode here? Colorize pixel slice, relief colorize. What's this? What's the meaning of that? No idea. And if I click there, what's this? Relief colorize. Okay. Min max. Blending console. Slice. Pixel. No idea. Can I do a regenerate? What else can I do with this? Maybe if I do it like this. Like that. there. So it's super super. So from here it goes to grass. Oh, nice, that's what I wanted. Great. So what else can I do with this? I think I just need like a new one here. Let's move this here. What's this thing? Constant mask. I'm not sure what's this for. Noise. Let's move this here. So I need a new one. Can I get a better, like a new noise one? No. Initial spot Voronoi. Noise one. So barely noise. Let's get this. Okay, size 16. Detail there. Turbulence. More turbulence, please. Well, not so much. Okay. Let's have you black and white. Okay, very nice. Goes like that. Actually don't need that much detail. Turbulence, that's okay. Super intense. Okay, let's do it like that. Less detail. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, not so much detail. There, so I have this. So this is the initial one. I get these two guys here. This is used for everything. For the slope, I need the slope. Or you know what? Maybe I can do it like this. Okay, maybe more detail. there. More turbulence. There. Size. Like this. Detail, less detail. Intensity. Let's do like that. Okay. Yikes, look at that. Okay, so now it looks better, I think. That makes more sense, in my opinion. Maybe a bit more. More turbulence? No. Turbulence. Turbulence, less turbulence. Detail. Whoop. Size like this. Okay, let's see. More size, intense. There we go. Okay, so it's much more green with little bits and pieces of dirt. Man, that grid kills me. That grid. I have to change it. It's my duty. There. So let's see. View. Get tiled. Oh, let's go like this first. So let's see. You go like that. Okay, no. What happens if I do this? I'm breaking it. There was like, how? Select. I don't remember effects there. Outline. Adjustments, no. Invert, no. Transform. Trim, properties. Frame. Modify. No. Don't remember how to do that. So I grab this. Let's see. Rotate canvas size. So the idea is to move and repeat. Move and repeat. Insert. Convolution. What's this? No. Cancel. Adjustments. Effects. The speckle. No. Shift was shift left. Oh right, look at this shift. This was. What am I going to? Can I shift this? I'm gonna have to do it many times. Shift left. Alright. Fast rotation. Can I do it with this? What's that? That's what I want. The shift. Shift left. Oh, come on. Let me do it faster. Shift left. Shift left. Can I see it? Can I see the preview there? What's that? Anyway, shift left, and let's take this. This isn't changing anything. Left. Left. There. Now up. No, that doesn't change anything. Not what I wanted. Okay. There. Think. Grids. Set loop section. What's that? Advanced mode. Wow. Tile, show, grid, slices. Man. Okay. Okay. What else can we do? You know what? Maybe I can add a new one of these. I mean a new texture. Slope. So the slope is the cliff. So I don't like the cliff dark. Cavity. Let me see, what else can I do with this? Size and offset. So offset and size will not change anything. could do is to add a new one. That comes from this one, like a mask, you know, it masks these guys here. I'm not sure. So there could be like places where I cannot see this. Or I could make this figure, but the problem is that the grid will be still be easy to see, because if I shift this graphic and change it, like for example, if I make the texture based on this tile instead of this one, I can shift the places of the graphic so that the grid is not like this, like a matrix, but it has a incline, you know. But if I do that, it's still going to be seen. The grid is still going to be seen. So I think the best solution is to create a new texture. A new grass texture. Let's place it below. Smaller grass. There. There. So let's call it smaller grass texture 1, and let's edit it, and let's just replace it with this. Let's just do it like that. There. So we have this guy, smaller grass texture, pixel art texture, apply. Let's do like that. Whatever. And here I have the small. Where are you? Smaller. Oh, wait a second. Do I need to add this? Do I need terrain layers? Do I need a layer? New tile generator tile. Generate there, smaller grass. I should be able to what's this? Terrain layer. Let's add this here. Terrain layer. Smaller grass. Of course. Grass. Oh, smaller grass. Specular smoothness. So what's the size of this? 0.5. 0.5 and 0.5 there. No, I won't have bitmaps. Constant, specular, okay, constant 0, 0. There, so you are this. Properties and tile settings 0.5, 0.5. Let's just copy normal, specular, smooth and scale. Okay, there we go. So this is really weird. Type linear, Berlin, turbulence, constant. What is this? Okay, so I have a mask here. Let's take this there. Intensity, very intense. I don't mind this. Let's make this so that you can have more things here. What? What's that? Mask. What's this? I don't get it. Turbulence, so offset X. Oh, just move. So from here, I just want simplex, linear, unity, noise one. Okay, so yes, a noise one, why not? Mask. I'm not sure if that's the right one. also. Alright. So that one never moves. I mean, there is a part that never moves. So I update here, I change it, Oh, it's always going to be the same. There, changes. So no unity linear size. Let's do like that. Turbulence, detail, more detail, less detail. Burning, detail, size, super big. Whoa. Okay, not sure. Turbulence, detail, okay, size, intense, okay, what's happening with this? So this gets a grass. Okay, can I copy this? No. Okay, add, map, modifiers, levels. So from here, you go there, input, wait a second. How does this mask work? I'm not sure. Okay, do I get a back magic manual? No, let me see. Other name. Terrace, grass, noise. Quick start. Oops. Noise erosion. Biomes tree. What? Wait a second. Other name, trees. Noise, output, modifiers. levels, textures, height, unity curve. So I don't see any mask here. Asset store, let me check. Okay, let's see the site. Not found. Great. Documentation. Import mask. So how does mask work? Mixes A and B based on the mask value. Okay, mixes A and B using the mask value. The same effect could be achieved with a sequence of two blend modes. Invert. If mask pixel value is 1, input A is used. If it's 0, then use it input B. For mask pixel of 0.5, A and B are blended. Okay. If mask value is 1, input A. If it's 0, then input B. So we have two inputs. So if the mask is 1, there. If the mask is okay, so I need two inputs, and input B. Okay, Berlin, let's do I1, size 4, detail, a bit more detail, no, too much detail, 0 point, turbulence, 0.4. So I have this. Let's do it like that. Let's do it like this. There. So turbulence is like that. Size. Let's add more. Like that. Whoop. Whoop. Okay, let's see. What? Am I going blind? Maybe I should change the... No, the problem is that There. There we go. Okay. Oh, look at that. So this is much better. Yes, much better. Much better. So then I need to add some levels to the cliff one. Let's see, cliff. Grass layer, cliff. Let's add a modifier that is levels. There and there. So as you can see, I can't see anything here. What? Spread. Whoa. No, don't spread. Oh, look. There, I can see it there. Eesh, ay. Whoop. Yikes. That's not what I wanted. Okay, let's remove this. So levels in this case is quite useless. No, remove. What else can I use? Blend, blur, curve, contrast. Oh, there. I can use contrast. Contrast. Super contrast. Intensity. Oh no, 0. -0 or 0, should I say? There. All right. Much better. Yes. Okay, so maybe I can use contrast here. Let me check. Create map, modifiers, contrast. Let's see. Please. Contrast 100. Okay. 50, 20, 10. Not precisely what I wanted. Intensity, contrast. What? Oh, look, 1. So it's not the same. Not the same. So goodbye. can still see some. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I can see the grass below the other one. So this is a little bit transparent. Maybe I should add a little bit more. Oh look, there is transparency there. How can I remove all transparency? Can I just add this? No, doesn't work. 0. So I know what 0 looks like. Oh look, it's like I can still see some things. So why do I still see things here? It's weird. Wait. No, it's just, it's the monitor. So this is 0. I should clean my monitor. So this is 0. And these are the levels. Can I see it bigger? There is bigger. No need to colorize. But this is grayish. I want it to be completely white. Parameters, out low 1, out high 0. Almost. I can still see the grass. In high, in low, out low, out low, out low. 0. No. Out low. Ooh. 0, 1. Gamma 0. Gamma 0. Does this work? No. Gamma 1. They're colorize. Mean value, max value. What else can I do with this? Add. Or should I change the contrast? Modifiers. There, let me see. No, wait. Then I have this, and then I change the contrast, intensity. No. Okay, let me check here. Oh, colorize, contrast. The contrast is 100. Does this work? Yes. Yes. Perfect. So let me see. Wait a second. Oh no. Yes, it works. It works fine. So do I have replies? No. Okay, so that works. That works fine. Wait, that works fine. Let's see how it looks in game. Okay, very nice. Very nice, very nice. So maybe this could be a more yellowish type of grass. Let me see some references. So this is a nice reference. Oh, let's look at it. This is nice. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's add this. Wait, let's do it through here. Hue. There. Saturation. Value. There. Let's see how it looks. Wait, does it look terribly bad? Yes, it does. Okay, not so much. So there and there. Again? What? Did I save? I forgot to save. Okay, so there. Okay. Need to have some lunch. Be right back in a couple.